Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language in Quora app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Quora app just like I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find the Quora app? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Quora app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download. And after downloading the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change language in Quora. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile initials. So go ahead and click on that, your profile name, and it takes you right into this window. So from this window, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner where you have settings. So of course you have messages, monetization, your content and stats, bookmarks, you have drafts, and you have settings. So go ahead and click on settings, and that's going to open you right into the settings window. So right here you have accounts, privacy, email and notifications, languages, all the way down to display. So go ahead and click on languages, and that opens you up to this window where you have a wide array of languages that you can choose from. So over here you have the primary languages just set to English, and then you have the Espanol, you have the Francais, you have Dutch, you have Italiano, you have this other, you have Indonesia, you have Portuguese, you have Dance, and scroll the way down to Polski. Yes. So these are the languages that are available in Quora. So all you need to do is to select the language that you want to change it to. And after selecting the language that you want to change it to, your entire application or your homepage is going to be refreshed to the new language that you have set it to. So this is pretty much how you can change language in the Quora app. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.